Hello everyone, welcome back to Asad channel. In episode 1, I told you we will break down AI agents, what they are and how they work. So today, let's take a deeper dive into the concept which will technically be accurate, but will be simple enough for any professional to follow. Let's start with the big question. What is an AI agent? An AI agent is not just a chatbot. It is a smart software system that can understand a goal, plan steps, use digital tools like APIs, and act on its own. API stands for Application Programming Interface. It allows different software systems to communicate, exchange data with each other. Think of these AI agents as a digital employee. It takes instructions, reasons, and get job done. To do this, it uses 3 core components: LLMs, the large language models, APIs to use the tools, and memory to save the information. First, the large language model. This is the brain of the agent. It takes your prompt, thinks through it, what it means, and figures out what to do next. Here are some of the great models to choose from. GPT-4o from OpenAI, multimodal, fast, enterprise-grade. Claude 3 from Anthropic, excellent for long documents and complex logic. GPT 3.5, free, lightweight, good for simple tasks. Gemini from Google. If you're already using Google Cloud, this fits right in. Open source model like Mistral or LLaMA 3, which can host yourself for privacy and cost controls. Now that you have given a brain to this AI agent, second component is APIs and tools. APIs are like digital waiters. You give the API a request, it delivers to the chef, the language model, and brings the result back. The agents use APIs to interact with real-world tools. For example, Google Calendar API to schedule visits, Twilio API to send text or make phone calls, Stripe API to process payments, Slack, Teams, or Google Chat APIs to post alerts and communications. The GPT model is your chef, the API is the waiter, and your agent runs the entire kitchen. Now we add memory, the third component. The memory makes your agent smarter over time. It allows the agent to remember previous conversations, use preferences, or past decisions. This is done through vector databases. Some common options for vector databases are Pinecone. It's a hosted, simple to use, great for fast startups. Chroma, open source, lightweight, runs locally. AWS Kendra or OpenSearch, great for enterprise teams using AWS. Google Vector AI with vector search works well with Gemini and BigQuery. Oracle Vector Search, ideal if you are already in Oracle ecosystem. So now you have a brain, the GPT, the hands APIs, and the memory vector database. Let me give you a real-world example. Imagine a patient fills out a doctor's clinic intake form. The AI agent reads the form using GPT, extract the name, visit type, urgency, checks doctor's availability using a calendar API, books the appointments, send a confirmation message via Twilio, and stores this interaction for future use. This is automation, reasoning, acting, and adopting. This is where the future of AI is going, from chat to intelligent decision-making and action-taking agents. Subscribe now if you want to make AI work in the real world. This is Asad channel. Thank you once again. Subscribe and look forward to seeing you again. Bye-bye.